Uy! Sila to kanina. Oh, sila nga to kanina. Sunny boy, sila to kanina oh. Oh, yung galing sa Alabang kanina. Sino kaya to? Bawat sulok ng Pilipinas ay may kwento. Mula sa tuktok ng bundok, sa malalayang pulo, hanggang sa makulay na kalsada ng mga lungsod. Merong isang hindi natatapos na paglalakbay. Dahil sa bawat hakbang, sa bawat destinasyon, may isang bagong kwento na naghihintay. Ang bawat tagpo ay nagpapaalala ng kung gaano kahalaga ang pagmamahal sa sariling bayan. Ang pangarap natin, hindi lang makita ang lahat ng ito, kundi ma-experience ang lahat ng adventures, hamon, at higit sa lahat, pagmamahal sa Pilipinas. Tara, libutin ang sariling atin. Next stop natin is Dasmariñas, Cavite. So, checking on Dasma. Dasmariñas City Hall. Alright. Oh, malapit lang. Kanina medyo malayo, mga 40 minutes yung biyahe natin from Bacoor City Hall to GMA Cavite. Pero ngayon malapit na. So magkakadikit na lang to. We are 21 minutes away from Dasma. Konting road trip lang. Pero swerte natin na naka-experience tayo ng flag ceremony. Siyempre, love natin ang Pilipinas kahit minsan ang hirap ng mahalin.
Sana.
Okay, so we're back dito sa Governor's Drive. Dire-diretso na lang to. A few clicks away, Cavite City. Sorry, Dasmariñas City. So, saan ba tayo dadaan mamaya ngayon? Pwede ba tayong dumaan dito? Tingin mo private road?
Hindi.
O sige, subukan natin dumaan dito first time. So straight is...
Yung may click nga pumapasok dyan Kung akala mo may lupa yun. Tayo pa naka-CRB.
Ano ba to? Island Park. Mukha siya subdivision Hindi ko alam kung... So diretso doon, that's SM Dasma. Madadaanan naman natin mamaya yon. So discover natin tong...
Sabihin ko para lang itong Bukal Bypass na mukhang entrance ng private.
Tiningnan ko mukhang labas siya dun sa may paliparan kanina.
Siguro may entrance dito na papuntang private
Pwede. Tingnan natin. Pwede ibabalik. Pero time check, it's 8:26 na. Papunta pa lang tayo sa third checkpoint. So saan
Ilan ba rin yung realistically?
24.
Ang target.
Ang target natin, hanggang gabuti tayo gabi. Hindi tayo uuwi.
Pangit na nun.
Ha? Pangit ang alin?
So,
Madilim.
oo.
Kaya nga tapusin natin na maliwanag. Ideally, nasa Tagaytay tayo. Tagaytay is, I think, 4th or 3rd to the last checkpoint. Nasa Tagaytay tayo between 5 to 6. Golden hour. Drone shots and everything. Kaso may plano pa tayong mag-hiking So tingnan natin, katulad kanina, sayang yung pagkakataon na may tao dyan, flag ceremony, tinapos natin. That's 15 minutes of our time. So, tingnan natin. Ano na, realistically, hindi ko alam saan. Basta ang alam ko lang, yung driving time niya is 6 hours. Yung lahat ng yun. Checkpoint to checkpoint. So, maximize na lang natin yung oras. Kain tayo on the road. Everything. Yun yung challenge nga Pero ang pinaka-challenge talaga, hindi 24 hours Kasi kung 24 hours, kahit tabutin tayo ng 6 a.m. kung ano oras tayo nagsimula. Ang pinaka-challenge sana is matapos natin ng maliwanag pa. 6 to 6, 12 hours. First time kong dumaan dito. Ikaw ba? Imagine mo diretso tapos labas mo na nito. Mabuti naman tayo dito. Just experience na.
Libingan. Oo, libingan.
Uy, oo nga no. Oh, sementeryo. Saan yung sementeryo to dati? Tapos binutasan, may naiwan pang sementeryo sa kabilang side. And then this...
Property dito.
Oo.
Dito.
Eh ano nang... Anyway,
Public cemetery.
public.
Sa labas eh. Walang bakod.
Oh. Yeah. Ang pagpapalibing. Sinong department, DPWH, ang nagmamanage ng mga sementeryo, public cemetery? Sinong ano? Ayan, ito yung sagot. First time ko makadaan dito. Uy. So we are just 8 minutes away from our next checkpoint. At syempre, bago tayo makarating sa ating destination, ito na muna ang Quick History about Dasmariñas City. Our next stop is one of the biggest, busiest, and fastest growing cities in the province of Cavite, Dasmariñas City. From a quiet agricultural community more than a century ago, Dasmariñas has transformed into an educational, commercial, and industrial powerhouse. Today, it is the largest city in Cavite, both land area and population, making it one of the province's major economic engines. Dasmariñas is located in the central part of Cavite, approximately 35 kilometers south of Kilometer Zero in Luneta Park. Depending on the traffic, the drive usually takes 45 to 1.5 hours. Its strategic location along Aguinaldo Highway makes it a major gateway connecting Metro Manila to the southern municipalities of Cavite. Dasmariñas is surrounded by neighboring cities and municipalities. It's bordered by Imus in the north, General Trias City to the northwest, Silang to the south, General Mariano Alvarez and Carmona to the east, Trece Marias City to the west. Because of its central location, Dasmariñas has become one of the province's busiest transport and business hubs. Before it became the city that we know today, the area was once known as Tampus, a farming community that formed part of Hacienda de Imus. On May 12, 1864, it was established as the town of Perez Dasmariñas, in honor of the Spanish Governor-General Gomez Perez Dasmariñas. During the American period, the town was temporarily merged back with Imus before regaining its status as a municipality in 1907. On November 25, 2009, Dasmariñas officially became a component city after the ratification of its city charter. The city was named after Governor Gomez Perez Dasmariñas, the 7th Spanish Governor-General of the Philippines, who served from 1590 to 1593. The town was called Perez Dasmariñas, but in 1907, the word Perez was officially dropped, leaving the name we know today, Dasmariñas. Today, Dasmariñas is home to more than 700,000 residents, making it the most populated city in Cavite. It covers approximately 9 square kilometers, making it the largest city in the province's land area. To give you an idea, Dasmariñas is almost twice the size of Bacoor City, yet it supports hundreds of thousands of residents, industries, schools, and commercial centers. Dasmariñas is composed of 75 barangays, including the large Dasmariñas Bagong Bayan Resettlement Area, commonly known by locals as the DBB or simply the area. This community was developed as one of the country's largest government resettlement projects. It is also home of one of the largest university communities, producing thousands of graduates every year from institutions such as De La Salle University Dasma, De La Salle Medical and Health Science Institute, Cavite State University Dasmariñas Campus, and Philippine Christian University Dasmariñas. These institutions have helped shape Dasmariñas into Cavite's educational center. Isa sa mga hidden gems ng Dasmariñas ay ang Butterfly Garden sa loob ng De La Salle University Dasmariñas. Dito, makikita ang iba't ibang uri ng Philippine butterflies at mga halamang nagsisilbing kanilang natural habitat. Isa itong tahimik at magandang lugar para sa mga mahilig sa kalikasan at photography. Dasmariñas is home to the colorful Paru-Paro Festival. Every November 26, the city celebrates its founding anniversary and cityhood. But why a butterfly? because the butterfly symbolizes change, transformation, growth, and new beginnings. So if planning to visit Dasmariñas, November is one of the best times to experience the city's energy, culture, and transformation through the spectacular Paro-Paro Festival. Dasmariñas is home to the numerous industrial parks and manufacturing companies, making it one of Calabarzon's major employment center. The city's famous DBB resettlement area became the Philippines' largest housing project, transforming Dasmariñas into a thriving urban community. From the educational and industrial heart of Cavite, our journey continues. This is Dasmariñas City. First time ko sa lugar na to, Sani. Lapit na tayo, 7 minutes. At alam ko sa area na to, nandito ang Lasal Dasma. Wow. Juan Felipe Hospital. What is this? What is this?
University Lasal.
Kakasabi pa lang natin. Lasal. Ang laki din. Ay, magiging school ni Boy. Lasalista pa din. What? People Power Monument. Ha?
Sa Revolution.
Well, may People Power Monument sa EDSA. Ito, meron version dito sa na ito na yung bayan or poblasyon ng Dasmariñas. So, may SM din. Market Mall. That's a first.
Hypermarket.
Hypermarket. First time ko talaga dito. Alam ko lang talaga sa Dasmariñas. Sinabi ni Dasma yung SM Dasma sa may Aguinaldo Highway. 4 minutes. So left side, Aguinaldo Highway straight Jose Abad Santos Avenue. And nado na rin yung City Hall. Di pa ako nakapunta dito, Sani. Di pa ako nakapunta dito. So I wonder kung same as GMA Cavite, kung may pakulo din sila dito. Tayo na enforcer to. Kinakabahan ako sa ganyang lakad eh. Right. I wonder kung may pakulo din sila dito.
Ito na yung City Hall na.
Ha? Yata.
Modern.
Yeah, that's the seat. Parang establishment building lang ng commercial ah. Okay. So that's simple as Cavite, not that much. So naikutan natin. Looking forward kami sa mga adventures namin sa bundok. Pero yeah, matapos lang to. So gawa tayo ng thumbnail dyan. Ang gulo. Huwag mo sabihin may underground to.
Kaso drive.
So that's Dasmariñas City Hall. Uy! Sila to kanina. Oh, sila nga to kanina. Sunny boy, sila to kanina oh.
Okay.
Oh, yung galing sa Alabang kanina. Sino kaya to? Alright, so thumbnail tayo. So, that's Dasmariñas mga pards. This is our third checkpoint. Marami-rami pa. Pero we hope na magkakatabi na lang yung ating pupuntahan. At syempre, sana excitement naman. Punta naman tayo sa mga mabundok. Looking forward for that. But for now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please, do not forget to subscribe to the channel para updated ka sa mga videos at adventures natin. That's it for today mga parts and mga Mars. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang video natin today. At lagi natin tatandaan, hilig man sa kotse o sa adventures, bakit ka pa pipili? Hard work pays off. Pwede both.